You're watching Project 380 and this is Back to Basics. On this episode of Back to Basics, we've got Clifford, the big red NC, and we're going to be changing the standard air filter. So yes, this NC has got the standard airbox in it with the standard air filter. It would be cool if we put a panel filter in it, but we're just sticking with the standard one for now. This air filter is by a company called Motorquip, and the part number is VFA1216. This is a pretty easy job to do. In fact, we don't even need any tools. So let's pop that bonnet and get changing the air filter. First off, let's pop that bonnet. So this is the standard airbox, and it's got two locking tabs either side. All we have to do is flick them open, and with the back part of the filter housing, push that towards the engine and lift it up ever so slightly, and then push that back until you've got enough room to get the old filter out. Check in the airbox for any debris. If there's any loose leaves in there, remove them. Grab your new filter. And there is a certain way this goes round. As you can see, one of the corners of the filter is more pointy than the others. That goes towards the center of the engine, that way round. And if you look at the filter side on, one side is thicker than the other. The thicker side goes towards the front of the car. So we've got the thicker side towards the front and our pointy corner of the filter here. With the back housing of the filter pushed all the way towards the engine, we're going to slide that filter in. Make sure it's located properly in place. Make sure it sits in there nicely. And then grab the back housing, pull it up slightly and forward, and then down. You should feel it click into place, and then lock those locking tabs by pushing them down firmly and clicking into place. And that is job done. A nice, simple service item ticked off that list. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments down below. As per usual, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.